Cal, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, McHenry, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Will and Winnebago, and the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois, and the following counties: in Wisconsin, Greene, Kenosha, Rock and Walworth, and Clinton, Iowa. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets